How to download Microsoft's new Edge browser. When you install this browser, it will effectively replace the Microsoft Edge browser currently on your system. How do you download it? Just go to google.com and write Microsoft Edge. It will lead you to a new page that you can install this software. First, let's download it. After we have downloaded, let's open the file. Here, press Run. Now, we have to wait until the install is complete. Now, it's ready to be used. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.